We're closer to getting answers in last year's deadly officer-involved shooting in Columbus. Thanks for joining us. I'm Emily Gasulo. The state has wrapped up its investigation after Columbus police officer Canyon Boykin fatally shot Ricky Ball during a traffic stop last October. Now the case is in the district attorney's hands. WCBI's Tom Ebel joins us now live from the Lowndes County Courthouse with more on what's next in the investigation. Tom?
Emily, District Attorney Scott Colomb tells WCBI that he plans to take the case to the grand jury. I spoke with legal experts to find out what to expect moving forward.
The Mississippi Bureau of Investigation wraps up its report in the officer-involved shooting that killed 26-year-old Ricky Ball. The case now goes to District Attorney Scott Colomb, and he plans to present it to the grand jury. Attorney Jeff Hosford says taking the case to the grand jury is based on the report the DA now has.
It's not a personal decision, it's a decision based on the evidence and whether or not they feel they have a case that should be prosecuted under the laws of the state of Mississippi and whether or not that individual should be indicted for the charge which he's charged with.
Hosford says there's only so much a district attorney can do in the justice process when it comes to making an indictment.
If they present the evidence and the grand jury chooses not to, or returns a no bill, which is basically they turn down the case, then the grand jury said there's not enough evidence to go forward, not the district attorney. And that's something people don't realize. They think the district attorney has all the power. He doesn't. Ultimately, the power is in the hands of the people on that grand jury because they're going to be presented the case and they're going to decide whether or not to indict the case.
Hosford also says prosecutors must be confident with the evidence they have because sometimes they only get one shot.
If they're still investigating the matter or more information, once they present it to a grand jury, they can't continually represent that evidence to the grand jury without new evidence. So that means if they read the case and they say, it looks good, but we're missing some stuff, y'all go work on this and come back to me. That means he's not prosecuting it this time, but he may do it later. If he presents that case that's incomplete to the grand jury and then they can't find any new evidence later, then he can't represent that case.
Columbus Mayor Robert Smith asks residents to remain patient and let the justice process play its course. Reporting live in Columbus, Tom Ebel. Emily, back to you.
All right.